Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie graph for your report. So first you need your data, and there's two different ways you could show your data. One is with a list, so this is my data. Let's see. All right, so this is just my list here. If you have a list of data, you can go to Insert, Chart, and it might give you a pie graph right away, but if it doesn't, then you can just change it. So mine gave me a pie graph right away, so I can go to up here and copy it and then paste it into my report. If it doesn't give you a pie chart right away, you can go over here to the chart type and you can change it to pie chart. Okay, another way that you can do this, let me delete this, is if you just counted up how many people said yes and no, then let's see, mine is, well, I'm just going to make up new numbers. So if you counted from another survey how many said yes or no, you can write, do you like ice cream? And you can write yes, no, and then next to it, put how many people said yes or no. So 10 people said yes, 2 people said no. That might be different from what I just did. That's okay. This is a different poll. And then you need to highlight all of it and go to Insert Chart. And it gave me a chart. This time it did not give me the title, so we have to add the title over here. So Customize, Chart and Axes Title, and it says Chart Title, so I'm going to type it in. Do you like ice cream? Okay, you see it pop up there. Now that this graph is ready, I can go up here and I can copy it and paste it into my report.